Creating demos with Supademo is already fast, but editing them at scale, until now, it's still taking way too much manual work. And that's exactly why we built Supademo MCP. Supademo MCP is our new model context protocol integration that makes Supademo available to AI agents and LLMs like Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. So instead of clicking through and editing every single step, hotspot, voiceovers one by one, you can now tell AI exactly what you want done. This includes personalizing and updating hotspot text or designs across an entire demo, rewriting or generating AI voiceovers in just a few seconds, or swapping out old screenshots with new uploads and auto-applying zooms, pans, and animations. You can even use one prompt to generate hundreds of trackable personalized links from one master template demo. This is the start of a huge shift in terms of how interactive demos are built, maintained, and shared. Because the real problem has never been about creating the product demo once. It's about keeping demos fresh as your product changes, personalizing them for different contexts, and scaling all of that without having to dive in and spend hours on repetitive manual edits. And that's where the MCP changes everything. And later this quarter, we're expanding the MCP with even more powerful workflows, like auto-recording demo drafts as you ship new features, mass personalizing all of your demo data, and re-recording stale or out-of-date tutorials for you proactively. And best of all, you'll still have your visual Supademo editor for precise, guardrailed, or fully controlled changes. Fundamentally, Supademo MCP is all about helping teams build faster, smarter, and more scalable workflows around their interactive demos. We're super excited to release this out to the world, and you can check out and try the MCP yourself by clicking the link below.